Hi y'all, welcome to Hand to Twit. I'm Little Music Man and I'm gonna show y'all how to make pizza roll-ups. Now I've got my pepperonis here, my crescent rolls here, and my cheese sticks. Of course, the crescent rolls have to be in the oven at 350 and it has to be 12 to 14 minutes. So I have my cheese sticks. I'm gonna cut them in half. You can use how many cheese sticks you want, but always cut them in half because it makes them go better in the pizza roll-ups. You can just do cheese or pepperoni. I'm going to show you how to do both. I've got these. I'm going to set them over to the side. Of course, you don't know how these work. Probably do, but no one knows. I'm going to just do this. Rip it off a little. Rip it. I'm just gonna rip it all the way home. So, y'all told me to make another video, so I did. And this is my other video. So I'm getting my second roll open. They're kind of hard. And I just bang on it. I just bang on it to get it open. Really. Let's just start with the first one because I don't know if I'll need the second one. You just take it a little and take it off the side and just roll it out. Of course, you don't want it to fall off the edge. And then you pat it. Then you do this. And here's one with you have to have 2 pepperonis. So I'm just gonna put that on. And I'm gonna push that in. Of course, you can do however you want. I forgot to push that part in. And then you pat it. You pat it every place. And then you put it on. And now you do the same thing, but I'm going to just do cheese this time. Of course, you can do like, I don't know, but I'm just saying if you want to make up another ingredient in this, you can, like, say you can put meat in it or anything. But I'm not allowed to use the oven, so my mom would do it. So, you know why I put these on either side? Like, I only like cheese and Little Miss Homemaker and John Boy love pepperoni. So, you can do the same, but if you want to just do something, you can put them like that, and you can put a cheese stick like that, so you can do that. Make it kind of like a sandwich. Now if you see all this, you can just pat it down like that. them. And Mom has already made pizza sauce. It's good with pizza sauce. Nothing is better with pizza sauce. Mom's gonna cook the pizza wraps for 350 and it reached to 12 to 14 minutes. And we'll see how it looks. So I have them done and let's see how good it tastes, but then how it looks. Hot. The cheese is not supposed to come out. And just go to www.heritageways.com if you want to buy these. They're always here. And I mean always.
Can I try one, buddy? Mmm. Good.
You can have my pizza sauce. So thanks for watching and hit the little bell below to get notifications. And just send a message to Miss Katie if you want me to make more videos. Bye!
15 minutes.
Let's go cook.
Wait, give me a time to space.
What is it?
350 degrees
Okay,
for 12 to 14 minutes. And then we'll show you what they look like.
What is it? I can't. Just tell me one.
It's written right here.
Okay, I'll just look at
350 degrees, 12 to 14 minutes. Okay.
Mom's gonna cook them for 350 degrees and 12 to 14 minutes. Bye!
Hey, don't say bye, it's not over. Now, say for 12 to 14 minutes and then we'll show you what they look like.
Mom's gonna cook them for the pizza wrap for 550.
No, on 350 for 12. The paper's right in front of you. You can look at the paper.
Mom's gonna cook the pizza wraps for 350 and it reached to 12 to 14 minutes. And we'll see how it looks.